National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 4:30 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 18 nautical miles southwest of Muir Haven, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Liberty Point, Clewiston, Sandcut, Parkey, Buckhead Ridge, Lake Harbor, Calusa, and Muir Haven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather